Guys, I just got home from dropping my mother-in-law to dialysis. Received a message from Bob Furniture that they will deliver tomorrow here early 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. the furniture. Try to rearrange stuff. Goodbye couch. Goodbye couch. This is old couch. I think it's been here, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it's very old since the family of my husband is a kid. I guess I'm guessing. No, it's not really. I think when they're in teens and when they're like teenager, they get this couch. Right. Am I right, Sue? If you're watching this, Sue, my sister-in-law, if you're watching this video, I don't know how long is this couch been here, but this couch here, this one here, it's very heavy. It's the heavy one because it's built-in bed. There's bed in it. And the other one is lighter, I guess. That's what my husband said. Lunchtime, guys. I'm having my lunch. I'll show you what I'm going to have. I'm hungry. It's my lunch. My leftover steak from the other night, and the rice, and the soy with the spicy vinegar in it, and yeah, ginataang gulay, vegetables with a coconut milk in it. Whew, it's tiring to clean the house. This couch is very heavy. I just said it's very heavy, and I pulled it from the wall, far from the wall. I cleaned the carpet, and yeah, that's a cat tower. It's heavy. I almost break my shoulder, and yeah, it's just, and that's it. Pansit. Yeah. This is my area here. All the thing here. This is all the drawer that I need to put all the bills. Yeah. And that's my mother-in-law when she's still young. She's very pretty. And that's the family cook. So tired. I will open this. Me and my husband will play this. Yeah, we play that. Me and my baby. So guys, I'll see you later. Because it's time. I don't even edit yet the video from yesterday. And I will be leaving soon to pick my mother-in-law. Or I don't know, maybe it's going to rain again. So maybe I will wait until she calls me. So, good night. Hi guys, it's dark over here right now. Let me turn the light up for you. Hold on. Yeah, me and my husband been busy for today because we're cleaning the third floor and plus this couch. I'll show you, but yeah. Right now I'm cooking for dinner and we've been running around. We get a throw pillow. It's different drawing. I'll show you. There you go. And of course my cat is already here. We have a lot of mess over there because we have to throw those pillows from the old couch. And of course my cat is checking what's going on here. Yeah. We're watching TV right now. We're just having finished dinner and my cat is sleeping watching TV too. But
you have no idea how much I love that.
Have you seen your son lately?
Oh yeah. I see it all the time.
when you get it all out.
Just let me see a Steve in peace.
He like to bother here.
No, he just wants to get her down and play.
What is it, Barbarian? Say that. Okay, what about the play in Soho?
Anytime she's so comfortable with it.
You said
She's like a little boy.
my inevitably brilliant reviews or
3 years with a Joffrey ballet.
3 years? Joffrey ballet? Listen, man, you are my friend. You're a great director, but I am not doing commercials. Is that for a gap? I don't want you to do a commercial. I need a favor. Oh. Yeah, all right, shit. But I'm having a package delivered tomorrow. I won't be home to get it. I gotta go up to San Francisco all week on a commercial shoot. You're gonna shoot in San Francisco? Who you use? Well, it's Lenny Peters. Lenny. What's wrong? It was like my last dog food commercial. Oh, Jack. That was a classic. But now, look, I was hoping that I could have this package delivered here instead. Sure, no problem. Listen, let me ask you something. Do you think I'm overexposed? Overexposed? Oh, no, Jack, not at all. Now, look, it'll be delivered tomorrow and picked up by a couple of guys on Thursday night. That's all there is to it. All right, tomorrow, pick up Thursday. Okay, but this is a very delicate matter, Jack, so don't mention it to anybody, all right? All right. Tell them. Okay.
What?